Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy and it's time to get cooking, and today I am baking some muffins. I'm making some peach cobbler muffins using these fresh peaches. Yeah, these are so delicious. Let me go over the ingredients with you and show you just how to make them. So for the muffin part, you will need 1 cup of peaches. Now these are fresh, but you can use canned also. Then you'll need 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2/3 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and then 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you're going to make a delicious streusel topping, and you'll need 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. All right, so to a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add my flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Give it a stir. All right, and then I'm going to add my peaches. And I'm also going to give them a stir until they're all coated in that flour. All right, so for my wet ingredients, I'm going to combine them all into a little measuring cup here. My milk and my egg, my oil, and my vanilla extract. And then I'm just going to give this a whisk. And then I'm going to pour my wet ingredients into my dry ingredients and give it a good stir. All right, I have lined my muffin tin with some cupcake liners, and I'm just going to fill these muffin cups with my batter. All right, so to make the streusel topping, just combine your flour, sugar, cinnamon, give that a stir, and then add in your butter. And I'm just using a fork. I'm just going to press in this butter until it's a nice crumbly mixture. It kind of looks like wet sand a little bit. And just take some of your streusel topping and place on top of each muffin. All right, so then you want to bake your muffins in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes, or until you can stick a toothpick in and the toothpick comes out clean. Oh boy, these look good, guys. Peach cobbler muffins. Yeah. Oh my goodness, these are so beautiful. Which one do I want? Of course, I've got to show you guys what they look like on the inside, right? I think I need a napkin. There we go. They're loaded with peaches. That streusel topping. These really do kind of tastes like a cross between peach cobbler and a muffin. So yeah. Well, that was delightful. Now I'm going to place them on a pretty platter here so that I can get a nice picture. I really do hope that you all give these a try because they are delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.